Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make 2 flavors of keto mason jar ice cream. We're going to be making strawberry and chocolate. Hey, let's get started with this ice cream. It's going to be super easy, and bring your kids in, get them involved because they can help you make this. It's so easy. We're going to make strawberry, we're going to make chocolate. For the strawberry, I'm going to use freeze-dried strawberries that we're going to grind into a dust. And I don't know about you, I like my ice cream to be pretty smooth. I don't like a lot of stuff in it, like chunky stuff. So I like to grind the powdered strawberries. This is exactly what I did for the keto fat bombs, and you can find that recipe linked above. So these freeze-dried strawberries, you can find these in the grocery store. I'm going to pulse them a little bit more. You can find them in the grocery store, like in the snack section with the peanuts and stuff like that. That's where I found them anyway. So there's our powdered strawberry dust. So let me set that aside. And we're going to start making our ice cream. We've got 2 mason jars here, and I've got 16 ounces of heavy cream. We're gonna do half in each one, so that would be about a cup for each jar of each mason jar. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Perfect. So in 1 jar for our strawberry, I'm gonna put in the strawberry powder. I'm gonna scoop it out. Be a lot less messy. So this makes 2 servings, and this strawberry powder, we use half of the bag, and each bag is 1 ounce, so we use half an ounce. And I'm also going to put in a splash of vanilla. I'm going to put that in both. And in each one, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sweetener. This is just granulated Lakanto sweetener. You could use Swerve. Any 1-for-1 substitute for sugar that is keto friendly. So in the chocolate one, I'm going to put a tablespoon of cocoa powder. All she wrote. That is it. So now we can put on the lids. And if your mason jar didn't, of course your mason jars don't come with the lids like these. You buy these separately, but you can just use the regular metal lids that come with mason jars. So now we're just going to shake it up. And now this is where you can get your kids involved. They would be really good at shaking this up for you. You want to shake it up for about 5 minutes. We want to make sure that that heavy cream gets whipped up, because that's what's going to make our ice cream nice and fluffy. So I tasted this, and I think it needs more sweetener. I'm going to add another tablespoon into each one. So that's a total of 3 tablespoons for each jar. And I like using these bigger mason jars because it gives the cream more room to move around in the bottle, in the jar, so there's more area for it to get frothy. Okay, these are nice and mixed up, and now we're going to put them in the freezer for a few hours to firm up. Okay, we had our ice cream in the freezer for a few hours, and it is looking so good. Look at that. The chocolate still needs a little bit more time, so I'm going to put it back in the freezer, but we're going to go ahead and end this video. But it's looking pretty good. It just needs a little bit more time. And I've tasted the strawberry. It is so good, but it's so rich. You guys are going to love this recipe. Guys, check out these other check out these other keto dessert recipes, and I will see you guys later. Bye.